To make this beautiful bracelet of multicolored thread you need, number 1. 72 number jade green color thread about 70 centimeters long. Number 2. 12 strand gold thread about 1.5 meters long. Number 3. And 1 meter long multicolored thread, also scissors and a lighter. Before starting the video, we request you to subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. So let's see in the video how we make this beautiful multicolored thread bracelet. Take the 72 jade thread about 70 centimeters long and fold it in half. Reserve about 8 centimeters at the front end, and fix it as the axis, and then take a 12 strand of gold thread about 1.5 meters and fold it in half. On the axis, first make a flat knot to start. Take multicolor thread about 1 meter long. Bring the beginning of the line to the middle of the axis. Then tie another flat knot with gold thread. Now look carefully here. The colored thread wraps around the gold thread from the bottom to the top of thread, and then tighten it. Then tie a set of flat knots with gold thread. Continue to roll out the colored thread from the bottom with the full turn, and tighten the thread. Then continue to make a flat knot. Now continue with the previous method. It is necessary to pay attention to which side the colored thread head goes to, and use the gold thread on the axis to weave a flat knot. Keep repeating like this. Just knit to the right length. At the end, press down the stepping thread, and then weave a flat knot with the gold thread. Cut off excess thread, and burn it. After weaving here, you can also put on a pre-hand-made the hanging heart. We will explain how to make this heart in the next video. At the end here, we knot with colored thread a short flat knot for pulling. cut it and burn. At the end of the tail line, wear 2 small beads. Just cut off the excess thread and burn it. Such a beautiful, colorful bracelet is ready. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment the video at the end, and subscribe to our channel, HandiCrafts.